Good morning. We were reading lesson 3 Burger Belly Children, and we have read this page of the story. In the last, it was in his dream he looked at himself in the mirror and saw that he had got a belly as big as Santa Claus. Who is he? He means here Sam. So he shouted, "No!" Now we will continue the reading. Page number 16. Sam woke up when he dreamt that his tummy has become like Santa Claus. He got scared and he got up. Sam woke up and ran to the bathroom mirror, see here, to check his tummy. Phew, it had all been a dream. When he checked his tummy, then he came to know that he was dreaming. That was all in his dream, that his stomach has become like a Santa Claus. Next Sunday, Sam and John met at the restaurant. But something strange happened. They again met in the restaurant to eat junk food, to eat burger. But something strange happened, not usual, something different. Before entering, Sam stopped at the door and said, before entering to the restaurant, "John, I don't want a burger today. If we keep on eating so many burgers, I will become fat or sick. So can we have a salad?" Before entering the restaurant, Sam stopped at the door and said, he did not enter. He stopped there and said, "John, I don't want to eat burger today. If we keep on eating like this, we will become we will become fat or sick. So can we have a salad instead of burger?" Salad is salad. Surprised, John asked. When John heard this from Sam, he was surprised. He said, "So we are never going to eat burger again?" Then he was surprised. He said, "Why Sam is not eating?" So he asked Sam, "We are not going to have burger again, means always we will eat salad only?" "Of course we will. Of course we are. All I am trying to say is that we should eat salad more than burger." He said, No, it's not that. We will eat burger, but not every day, sometimes, and we will eat less burger and eat more salad." So children, here is word meaning in the page number 17. Let's read word meaning. Fast food. Fast food is cooked food sold as quick meal. Fast food is cooked food sold as quick meal. Quick meal जो होता है जल्दी जल्दी बन जाता है, 2 minutes noodles and many more things are there which we can cook very easily and very fast. So the fast food here is junk food, and junk food are eaten always as a quick meal. People feel easy because they don't have to pay more money, and they eat the junk food quickly and fill their stomach, satisfy their hunger. So aching is here sharp pain. Aching means pain, sharp pain. Restaurant means place where people sit and eat the meals. Strange means surprising. Strange means surprising. Children, you have to answer these questions in short. You will write here in short. Okay, what did Sam and John eat every week? Fast food. What did Sam and John eat every week? Fast food. In his dream, Sam had a belly like whom? Santa Claus. In his dream, Sam had a belly like whom? Santa Claus. If Sam kept eating the burger, what would happen to him? He fell sick. If Sam kept on eating the burgers, what would happen to him? He will fell sick. Why should you have vegetables more than fast food? we should have vegetables more than fast food for good health. You only write for good health. Okay, next page. Take the correct option. Eating too much fast food makes us weak, sick, wealthy or healthy? Sick. What should you drink every morning to glow healthy? Cold drink, tea, coffee, milk, plain water. I don't drink every morning all such things, cold drink and all. Okay, tea, I will put tea here because I like having tea before the breakfast. Fast food is unhealthy because it has more water, taste, salt or oil. It has more oil. Fast food is unhealthy because it has more oil. Children, this is your homework. This you will do. You will put a tick mark whatever food, or you will put circle the food items you have for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Whatever you eat for breakfast, first you put round, and then you will put round on the words. In the lunch whatever you have. Okay, whatever you have in the breakfast you put a tick mark or circle. Whatever you have in the lunch you put tick mark or the circle, and whatever you will have in the dinner you put tick mark. Okay, tick mark or circle. So this chapter is over, children. You have to complete the chapter Burger Bully. You have to read the lesson nicely and do the text work, question answers and other exercises. Bye bye.